Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now look at the board everyone, sit proper. What is this? What is this? It is a jug. Yes, it is a jug. Okay, tell me the beginning sound of jug. What is the beginning sound of jug? The beginning sound of jug is j. Jug. The beginning sound of jug is j. How to write j? Raise your two finger, come down and down, turn a little, put a dot on. Student, now look at the board. Count lines with me. There are 4 lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lines. Write down J in 3 lines. Last 3 lines. Start from second line. Second line से हम start करेंगे. Come down and down. Turn a little. Put a dot on. How to write J? Come down and down. Turn a little. Put a dot on. It is J. Which sound is this? J. Students, now open your English reader. Open page number 13. Look and say. Okay, now tell me which letter is this? It is J. And sound is J. Mama J, baby J. आज हम पढ़ेंगे ज. ज jelly, j joker, j juice, j jackal, j jug, j jeep. Okay, link the relevant object. j से क्या आता है इन सब में से? And practice J or j. Trace it.